Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your sound doesn't work on Windows, so no sound fix. Actually, first thing that you need to go, which is here, then press this one, which is the select sound output. And here guys, please make sure that you are using a device, whether it is the high speakers or headset, headphones anyway, so you just select it and you are good. You are good to go, you are good to deliver, and it is all good. If still not working guys, first thing that you need to go, which is Windows R, to get this one, and then type services.msc till you get this panel. If you get this panel, just drop down to Windows Audio, this one. Then guys, property, if you stop it and you just run it, or you will go here to restart. So that's guys the two best optimal solution to fix sound effects, the sound audio on your Windows. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe.